What if buildings could help the planet instead of harming it? For years, straw was seen as too simple for modern construction. We set out to prove otherwise and built a place that turns that idea into reality. This is how straw goes mainstream.
The idea to automate our panel production came early on. It was shortly after I joined the company as an impact investor, and from the start we knew we wanted to scale up and that we wanted to produce locally across Europe. And doing this would require more than just expansion, it would require innovation. And so to take things to the next level, we decided to invest into R&D and introduce advanced automation.
To scale up, we had to show that it works not just in homes, but in factories too. So we did something no one else had tried. We brought straw and robotics together. We built it not just for us, but for anyone who wants to build better.
It was a way to show that it's possible to comply with strict regulation for the industrial sector, such as fire resistance or soundproofing. We've proven that this material isn't just for niche project, it's a viable, scalable solution for industrial clients.
What a challenge to accomplish, isn't it?
What is unique about this factory is that it uses zero heating, zero water, and creates zero waste. Because sustainability is one of our core values, so we look at the entire life cycle of our product, the way we source the material, the way we produce, as well as the end of the life.
Good performance isn't just about speed or numbers. It's about doing things right from the start to the very end. This place shows what construction can look like when you innovate with care.
All processes at the factory are 100% mechanical. The entire robotic production line is powered by solar energy from PV panels on the roof. That means we save a huge amount of energy compared with conventional building materials. We start our production process by weighing the straw, checking its quality, dedusting it to remove any loose particles. No processing, no transformations, just clean raw material straight from the field. Timber elements proceed to be cut with high precision to specified dimensions and assembled into various types of frames connected only with screws. The frames ready, the raw straw is tightly compressed to 115 kilograms per cubic meter and assembled into structural panels. The panels are produced in a specific order, and the packing sequence aligns with the construction phases at the building site. All these steps are run by only 2 operators per shift. After a thorough quality inspection, the panels are labeled and prepared for smooth unloading and assembly at their destination.
From raw nature to refined structure, every panel tells a story of transformation. No glue, no chemicals, just straw, timber, and precision. A reminder that the simplest materials can build a truly modern future. Our straw wall system is more than technology, it's a movement, a way to build better, faster, and cleaner, using materials that come from the land and return safely to it. It meets high standards for safety, comfort, and durability, and makes it easy for any carpentry team to build sustainably. That's how straw construction goes mainstream. One wall, one builder, one country at a time. The future of building is already here, and yes, it's made of straw,